A lot of people have been asking for an update on this pizza oven ever since I got the bricks delivered. So here's a video to catch everyone up, and I will put it at warp speed. Had a hockey injury, so my wife helped me lift the mortar. You can tell this is the first video because I'm wearing gloves. Try to keep the bricks wet. Mortar doesn't last long, so I was constantly racing against the clock. It almost felt like I spent the majority of my time putting away tools at the end of the day and then taking them out again the next day. The difference between a professional bricklayer and an amateur is speed, especially if you want your bricks to be straight. I was only doing like 2 to 4 bricks each time I mixed mortar. I used more wall ties than I probably needed. Again, this is just taking forever. I'll post a more thoughtful video with details on each step and some pointers on how to do this stuff. I'll make that video once I have more done, probably after I pour the insulation layer. Not sure what I did wrong here, but the bricks I'm laying here wound up having to be done twice. You'll see that in a second. Here's me forgetting to make weep holes on the other side. So here I am fixing that. Here are those loose bricks. Must have jostled them when they were in the process of drying. So this was my do-over. I wasted a lot of mortar in my first few batches, but at this point I was just mixing enough mortar for 2 or 3 bricks. So I was just doing it by hand on the table. It's finally time to load up more bricks, drag them to the back, and stack them up. I screwed this scrap semicircle to the arch form, then removed it, cut it in half, took out a sliver, and then I put it back together using the same screw holes. This way, when I go to remove the form, I'll be able to unscrew these, collapse it just a little bit, and be able to pull it out. I used ties on the stacked arch. Not sure if that'll help at all. This really takes forever. I cut all the arch bricks at once. This video was actually taken today, so you're just about caught up. I really hope this arch stays up when I remove the form after completing the wall. I'm also not sure how I'm going to clean up the mortar on the part of these bricks that is behind the form. I'm probably going to have to chip away at that carefully once it's dry. It's definitely starting to look cool. I actually think I like doing this brickwork. It's like Legos for adults. Doing some misting here. Really want this to cure slowly. Follow me for the next video, and thanks for watching.